Ladies and gents, we dressed up a bit today because today is a big, special, important day. As you see behind me, the wheels have arrived. So we'll do a little unboxing. The tires are actually in the other shop, so a lot just came in. I know in my last video I went over like the modifications that were planned or that are planned for this car, the things we were expecting in the mail. So a few of those items have arrived. We're gonna get into those here shortly. Spoiler, as you can tell by the box, they're Rohanas. I got the RFX 11s. I've seen these on a few different cars, a few different Audis, and Evan's car has the RFX 9s? Sevens. Sevens on the S5, and Carson had the RFX 5s on the C63 AMG. Familiar with the Rohana brand, very happy with what they've done for the cars here on the channel previously. So these are 19 by 9.5, 30 ET for the offset. I'm excited. Let's do it, shall we? We're rolling.
Are you gonna be able to see it? It's in the box.
You wanna hold it?
Yeah, I'll
I filmed my whole last video solo.
Yeah, we gotta get this dope angle, bro. We got the wheels in the background, the GT3 in the
It'd be so nice if I had like white gloves, do the unboxing with
so
the Damascus, just like
yeah, in the suit.
ASMR unboxing. Woo. Packaging, I'm assuming, because these aren't cheap. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, dude, there's multiple layers too. This is like, it's teasing me. Ooh, those are more concave than I thought they'd be. That's sick. The brushed titanium, I think, is the color technically.
What color?
I think brushed titanium.
Yep.
Or brushed aluminum, whatever it is.
Brushed titanium.
Jeez, dude. It was between this and the gloss black, and I don't know, I had gloss black on the last ones, but I think these are really gonna contrast trim and the black optics package, so this is gonna look sick. Plus, Carson had the same color on his car, and it just looks so good. Yeah, center cap. Dude, that's heavy.
Oh, it's got the black?
It's metal.
That's so sick with the black. The problem I had with mine on the track,
the plastic got too hot, right?
The problem is the plastic bracket melted. Yeah. But you can reorder them. It's like 50 bucks for a set of these. So
that's nice. That's really nice. We got these with the black contrast here and then black lugs as well. So when everything's on the car, it's gonna be black, 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 black. We're going to actually ceramic coat these today because I want that done before it sees any road surface, road dust, dirt, anything like that. So that's gonna be next. And then these are getting mounted, what, this week, hopefully?
Yeah, I'll probably take them over to the tire shop tomorrow.
Sweet. So Evan just told me the springs are here. I think he told me that already, but my brain wasn't working.
They just came like a couple hours ago.
Line it up with the Pentagon right perfectly. Mm-hmm. That's sick. So
I did not do that on purpose.
No, that was beautiful. So the springs are here. I think what we're gonna do, because I want these to be separate videos, obviously, ceramic coat these still, get the tires mounted on the wheels as soon as possible. So hopefully like tomorrow, it sounds like, and then we'll get these on as soon as possible. See where Rory's at with his schedule. Hopefully sometime this weekend or like Friday, it sounds like we'll get the car lowered. So that's something I wasn't expecting when I came here. That's an awesome surprise.
It came in literally a day.
That's so
I think
sick.
Rory ordered them yesterday.
I don't think I paid for those yet, so let me do that too.
I had no idea they were gonna come with the black, dude. That is a game changer.
Oh, I didn't even notice.
Yeah,
so
that one has a full silver.
The display one, yeah. I like this so much better.
Yeah, that's way better.
Because you can actually see what it is.
I saw this one, sneak preview of a project that we're gonna be doing, but I found out that they have these center caps too.
Oof.
So for that one project that we're doing soon.
Yeah. That one secret special one. I saw their website. They have, you can color match like
so
any.
So many different center caps you can order.
You can do like red.
Yeah, I need to order new ones. I want to film a reel.
Yeah, for sure.
If you don't mind.
We got to get all the content, ladies and gents. If you guys aren't following my Instagram already, it's S4_KevG. I post way more on Instagram than YouTube. I usually post my mods there before I put them on YouTube because it takes me a lot longer to edit for these longer videos. So if you want to see these mods first, including, I don't think I have a need for that, I'll be honest.
It's
unless
so
you
cool,
want to transport them, I don't care. Cool, we'll get these unboxed and then get ripping on the coating. The lug bolts came in, separate little baggie here. So we can do a little unboxing. Thank you. Ooh, all right. There we go.
Let's see one. Oh, you got the locking key too. That's nice.
Yeah, boy. All right, so we got the key, which if you own an Audi, you know, these things go missing. So it's good to have extra.
That is gonna look dope.
Oh yeah, that's sick. Ladies and gents, it's day 2 of this wheel extravaganza, and your boy is dressed up once again. It's all about presentation, baby. We got the wheels going on today. I got word that the tires have been mounted, balanced, everything is ready to go. We're on the way right now to the shop where the tires and wheels are. Rory also mentioned that we can get these springs on as early as tomorrow. Deconstruction of the front and rear end are gonna happen, I think like midday tomorrow. I'm just gonna drop my car off with Carson. He's gonna figure that out. Ladies and gents, holy moly. Oh yeah. Oh, that's nice. Let's get these things on. There's something about these tires. They just look so good on these. Quick intermission. We got some boats at the shop today. You start a boat dealership?
Yeah. Yeah, we're working on it.
Jesus. Caps on the lugs are stuck. And we have a tool that's supposed to get between the wheel itself and those caps, but it's not working. So I think we're just gonna drill them because it's, I don't know, a plastic piece or 20 plastic pieces. So I'm not that worried about it. You can't even really see them on the winter set. Anything to get these wheels on today. Look at these things, dude. My goodness gracious. Some cool stuff in the shop. We got some American muscle with the Camaro Vet. Then of course that German beauty back there. Yeah. Hey. Here's where we get dirty. Okay, I found the right adapter, what we needed. We needed a black 19 with this guy and the key. So everything fits, that one's done. We're gonna lower it down. We gotta get this thing lowered. Good thing that's literally happening tomorrow, but there it is for now. Jeez, that looks so good. When this is lowered, it's literally perfect fitment. I did it right this time, boys. All right, let's get the rest done. It's so funny, I'm literally like dressed up. It is 82 degrees in Michigan right now, so I'm on fire. What we gotta do, what we gotta do. Dude. Ooh. All right, we're getting lowered. Next video. So if this fitment looks crazy, it's because it is. We're gonna get the H&R Sport lowering springs. And with this fitment, my friends.
Oh my God.
Jeez.
They're stretched a little bit.
They're,
look at this lip compared to mine.
9.5 on mine.
You've got way more lip exposed than I do. Look how destroyed mine are.
Yeah, a little bit there. I made sure to order. I got 255 35 19s, which I had on my last car. So
yeah, that's the same size I have.
I see the vision. It's coming together. Once this rear is lowered, well, the whole thing lowered, but dude, we got the carbon busting right now. We got the blackout. We got the wheels on. Coming together. One piece at a time, one piece of the puzzle. And we still have stuff in the mail. Like I said, the springs are going on tomorrow. That's the next step to see this thing lowered. You guys definitely don't want to miss out. Hit subscribe, hit that notification bell. Likely going up Sunday, like most of my uploads. Be on the lookout for that one. Whew, this thing looks so good right now. But that one's gonna be next, and we actually have more stuff in the mail for this car. We have a downpipe and an intercooler. So once we get those in, we're going stage 2. We have like months worth of content for you guys. We're doing Evan's car, same thing. He has already got the AW intercooler, but we're doing a downpipe and then stage 2 on this. So gonna be running some amazing setups. The Riced Out A5, shout out whoever commented on my Instagram. I laughed at that so hard. It doesn't have the badge on the front. Maybe they were a little confused. Keeping up with.
I didn't say it was Riced Out though. It just had a wrap and wheels.
The A5 keeping up with supercars. Dude, it's so nice. People out chopping on the choppers. I sold my moped last year. I'm so bummed, but.
That is a huge moped day.
Yeah.
I was thinking about selling them, but when I found out they don't make them, those are going to be the winter wheels.
Jeez, the yuckiest winter setup here.
Yeah, I mean, I don't drive this much in the winter, but
right.
They will be on.
Might as well keep
snow
them on.
Tires will live on these wheels.
Oh yeah, because you have the same size snow tires for your the rotors, which you still have. Sell those and get the wheels, dude.
And then get the wheels.
Easy.
Or bronze RFX 17s.
You already did the bronze.
Yeah.
I feel like this car would look so sick with
the silver.
That
finish is just nuts.
I like it on the white a lot.
Yeah.
I was so close to getting gloss black, and I was pretty set on it, but like.
I think that finish on this car would look sick too. So.
Yeah. I'm happy with that. We'll get her lower tomorrow, looking nice. With that, ladies and gents, I got dirt on my forehead. Had to get a little dirty in the work clothes, whatever. With that, ladies and gents, that's gonna wrap up the video. Like I said, subscribe if you guys are new, want to see more mods. They're on the way. They're actually here. We're installing them tomorrow and next week and the next week. Like, we just have so much stuff that is already in and like ready for this car. So this car, the S5, the S4, the other S4, and so much more, it is finally here. Like, it's 78 degrees outside. I think we're actually getting back to the 30s next week, which is absolutely cheeks, but we're staying positive, having fun, and thanks so much for watching. Until next one, ladies and gents, we'll see you.